It's time to draw the names for the giveaway winner. I'm going to draw 3 names, and like I said in the original 10K extravaganza video, I'll give the first person a certain amount of time. I've decided to do 48 hours from the time that I contact them, and you have to, if you win, you have to get in touch with me. So I will comment on the comment that you left on that 10K video, and I'll leave my email for you to get in touch with me. You'll have to send me an email, let me know that you are there, and you can send me your address, and it has to be a US address, and I will send you this beautiful necklace. And let me show it to you one more time. This is from Jill Maurer, and I'll link her YouTube channel below and her website for her jewelry. And I want to be sure to say too that if you don't win, I have almost 200 entries in here, so if you don't win, there's still good news. Jill has given us a 15% discount code. It is autumn15, and I'll give all that information down below along with her website, so you can get 15% off this necklace if you want to purchase it or anything else on her site. And of course, I'm wearing my Taurus necklace that she gave me and my Brahma earrings that I purchased from her. And I love them. I've worn them almost every day since I bought them. So let me show you the giveaway necklace again. This is the Raleigh necklace in sterling silver. It is absolutely gorgeous. And that is what the lucky winner will be receiving. All right, I have all the entries in here. I wrote all those names on pieces of paper. It took me about 2 hours to do all that and then cut them out and fold them and get them in here. If the first winner does not contact me in 48 hours, I will be in touch with the person who has the second name I drew. They will have 48 hours. If they don't respond, then I'll get on to the third person. If nobody responds, I'll have to do another drawing, so I'll hold on to these. Drum roll, please. That didn't really sound like a drum, but oh well. Here we go. Again, all the names are in there. Mix them up. And the winner is B. Ferg's mom. B. Ferg's mom. My screen did a weird thing, that's why I looked down and there was that little pause. So that is number 1. I'm gonna write on here, congratulations, B. Ferg's mom. You are the lucky winner of the Jill Maurer Raleigh necklace. Now let me pick 2 more names. Okay, the next winner, if B. Ferg's mom doesn't get in touch with me, is Amy M. Congratulations, that's number 2. So you have a chance at that necklace. And name number 3, just in case either of those don't get in touch with me, is LaTanya Hall. LaTanya Hall. Congratulations, and remember, if you didn't win, you can still get 15% off at jillmaurer.com with the code autumn15. And thank you everyone for watching and for entering. I do appreciate it. And for all your ideas about what you'd like to see in the future. That's very helpful in planning future videos. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Make yourself comfortable, Roxy. Can y'all see her? There she is. Hello, Roxy. How are ya? What you don't see is Baron is also in the chair behind me. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here, and Roxy and Baron. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget. This is not the most comfortable situation. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you are into that sort of thing, this is the place for you. Hi, you're distracting me. Click the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. Today I have an unboxing, and this is part of a set. It's 2 pieces from a 4-piece set, and there's really only 1 piece that I was on the hunt for, but these 2 I got such a great deal on I couldn't pass it up. It was a little more than just buying the one piece that I want from most other places that are selling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. The second piece, I'm not sure yet if I really want it. I'm gonna give it a chance, but then if I don't want it, I will put it up for sale. Let's see if I can figure out how to get into this box. These are some of the more difficult boxes to get into. I think I have to rip it. Brute strength. All right, got it open. And there we are. So I knew this wouldn't come in a dust bag because it was part of a set. Each piece wouldn't come in a dust bag originally. So let's see, I don't expect that it'll come in a dust bag anyway. Nope, it's wrapped in plastic. Can you tell? All right, so it is these two pieces, the two inserts from the Felicie. Is that how to say it, Felicie? I'll put the name of the bag below. And it's such a cute bag. I would love to have one, but so many people say that these two inserts pretty much take up the entire bag and there's not room for much else. And what I'm most interested in is this particular insert. I've been looking for something to hold pens and pencils in my bag. I thought this could be really good for that. I am a little bit worried about stretching the leather out, but I'm gonna give it a shot because I haven't seen anything else that I'm crazy about, and I wanted something that wouldn't take up too much space, because I know there are some other pen and pencil cases, but they're a lot bigger and bulkier. And then this is the one that I'm not sure if I would really use it, but I'm gonna give it a try. Obviously these are in empreinte leather and they are black. One thing I would say if you're looking for anything in empreinte in black or noir is to be careful that you don't accidentally stumble upon a dark blue or even an amarante, which is kind of a dark purple, because they look very similar. So I'm gonna go ahead and look these over here. Check the stitching. They're supposed to be brand new. I got them from a seller on Tradesy and she had multiples available. I've never seen these in person, so I really don't have anything to compare it to, but I am pretty familiar with Louis Vuitton and their structure and how they do things. I think this seems pretty good. It has a little Louis Vuitton Paris stamp. One of the things that I don't know is whether these inserts have a date code. So I can't see very well in there. Oh, I have a little flashlight. Handy dandy flashlight. Let's see if I can see a date code anywhere in there. Okay, on first glance, I am not seeing a date code. So if any of you have the Felicie or these inserts, could you do me a favor and check yours and tell me if yours have a date code? Because I just want to be sure. Actually, no, that's not a date code, that's just some dust. The leather zipper pull here is super thin. I think you can see that there. And tell me if that's normal too. Maybe I should try to go into the store and see one in person just to be sure. The seller, they had a ton of sales, like a few thousand sales they'd done, good reviews and stuff. So I thought I could probably trust them. Let me show you each of these cases real quick, just give you an overview. So there's one side, the other side, those are identical. They're made from two pieces of leather. There's glazing around the sides and the bottom and the gold zipper on top. So both sides, the LV is upright. And then inside is lined with leather, and I already showed you where it says Louis Vuitton right there, Louis Vuitton Paris. And then this one is made from one piece of leather, so it has glazing on the sides, but then not on the bottom because it's folded around. And there's no imprinting on this, it's just the grain of the leather. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. It has 8 card slots, and each of those, now that feels like Louis Vuitton to me. That feels just like the card slots in their wallets. Yeah. So one side, this side here is lined with leather. The other side, let's see if you can get, I can get that to where you can see it better. I can't really see it, but it's not leather, it's more of a fabric kind of material. And then this top is glazed on either side and it opens to the interior leather there. And let me check this one to see if I see a date code anywhere. It seems like they would put date codes on the interior of these two inserts, but maybe they wouldn't. Maybe they would only put it in the handbag itself, since the pieces go together. And when I say that this was part of a 4-piece set, so it's the 2 inserts plus the Felicie handbag plus the chain, which is removable. It's a crossbody chain, I believe, on the Felicie handbag. Well, these are lovely. You know, this could really come in handy if I want a larger card case like this, and you can put bills and receipts and everything in here. I think what I like most about this is the big slip pocket and not as much the card pockets, but maybe I'll use that. We shall see. But I do really love this. This is a lovely piece. They're beautiful, the leather is soft, so I'm hoping I get a lot of use out of those. And I wanted something in empreinte for a long time, so this is my little sort of tester piece. There are a few reasons I haven't really jumped on the empreinte, the main one being that on some of the bags and a few pieces in particular that I've seen, when you have stuff in the bag, over time it pushes against the interior of the imprinting and pushes the imprinting out so you don't see the imprint anymore. Does that make sense? And I figured that's less likely to happen on a small piece like this, but we'll see. So if any of you have these pieces, could you leave the information below about what you have and how much you like it, or if you bought the Felicie and sold the inserts. If you have the inserts, how do you use them? Because this could be used for a number of different things. And I suppose this could be too. What bags do you use them in? Do you only use it in your Felicie? Do you put it in other bags? I'd be very curious, and I bet other people would be curious too. Then I could use your information to help me out to do a video too, and help people figure out what to use these for and whether it's worth it. Because when they're sold separately, most of the time you get them separately and not as a set like this even. So it could help people figure out if it's worth it, because they do tend to be a bit expensive. Like I said, I got a really good deal, but most of the time you see these priced a bit higher than I paid. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.